Hello, beautiful friends with creative souls. Welcome to my home.
Welcome to my passion.
Because this is a passion.
Today, in our first edition, I want to share with you some useful tips about how to be an artist in our digital age and make a living of it. Pay your bills, pay your rent, have it as a main source of income. It is possible. If you are like me, a truly art, and you feel that this is your purpose in the planet,
This is your mission in the universe. Follow what your passion dictates.
prepare to say it loud in front of the mirror. Repeat after me.
I am an artist. I born an artist. And this is what I gonna do.
Especially if you, like me, have done 14 years of university career in arts. So you actually can do another thing. You don't have another option. You are not qualified to do another thing. You should decide it and throw that decision to the universe. And I'm sure,
I assure you,
that the universe will send results quick. You will find your career growing prosperous at the same time that grow your bank account. It is amazing how this stuff works.
but my friend, the situation is not great for everybody.
The tourists, the courts, the strike, the Eurozone, the Euro, Greece, China. We never know what's gonna happen. If I were you, I also commend myself to a son. Lot of faith and pray. Keep praying.
Actually, I know a little son that is very useful for this occasion. It's Sam Hot Dog Vendor.
He's never gonna let you down. He's never gonna die of hunger. So you keep doing what you want to do, what your passion dictates to do, and pray. Lot of faith and pray.